Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camping chairs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Caravan Sports Infinity Zero Gravity Chair. Relax with confidence when camping with Caravan Sports Folding Chair. It offers exceptional comfort from its strong textiline fabrics which are suspended by a dual bungee system. Comfort is guaranteed by its reclining capacity, lumbar support, and headrest. The dual locking system is ideal in ensuring the seat is firm to prevent falling. Its frame is stainless steel and can support 300 pounds while folding down to 6.3. With Caravan Gravity Chairs your camping will be a unique one. Moving on at number 4, we have the TravelChair Slacker Chair, Tripod Camp Stool. Enjoy comfort and style with this foldable chair from TravelChair. It is a durable and compact seat with a folding frame to enhance portability. A combination of polyester, ripstop poly and fabric makes it extremely light and strong. Further, it can support a weight of up to 275 pounds. On the other hand, it folds to a compact size hence can be carried on the back. Once closed, the Velcro straps help to keep it in position. The seating fabric is durably made from a 450D material which is resistant to sun damages and fading. At number 3, we have the Kijaro Dual Lock Folding Chair. If camping is your passion, you have a perfect companion that will offer body and mind relaxation. The storytelling moment at night inside the camp is more exciting if you are sitting comfortably. The Kijaro folding chair with a duals lock is all you need to spices up your camping. While featuring a dual lock technology, it can be secured in both open and closed positions. The seat has improved postures and meshed back for total comfort. Both armrests are fitted with cup holders to hold your favorites drink. It can accommodate 300 pounds. At number 2, we have the Coleman Aluminum Deck Chair. Next time you have a picnic or camping trip don't improvise for sighting equipment. Carry this deck chair from Coleman. It is an extra-large chair and firm boasting folding steel frame. At the back is a heavy-duty fabric material which guarantees support while armrests are padded. When relaxing the side table offers a platform to keep your drinks or other accessories. The chair is fully foldable with carrying straps and comes with 1-year warranty. And finally at number 1, we have the Coleman Broadband Mesh Quad Chair. As you enjoy the natures when in campsites or the beach, Coleman Mesh Quad Chair offers you exceptional comfort. It is a versatile seat that enables you to take pleasure miles away from home. With a spacious sitting area and enough height, comfort is a guarantee. The back polyester made and meshed top allows air circulation for efficient cooling. The robust foldable stainless steel frame can support 250 pounds. It comes with a sling bag for smooth transportation. Moreover, a 1-year warranty backs this chair. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.